Hello friends, I am Pranita Sheshni, the student of Breathing Training Center. Today I am here to discuss the technical topic. In that today we discuss about the pharmacovigilance. In that the geriatric pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance refers to the science and activities related to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse drug reactions or any other drug related problems. Geriatric pharmacovigilance is a specialized data within this field that focuses on the monitoring, analyzing, and minimizing the risks associated with the medication use in the older adults. This age group, typically defined as the individuals aged 65 and above, represents a growing demographic worldwide due to aging populations, which bringing about the unique challenges and concerns regarding medication safety. Now, the challenges in the geriatric pharmacovigilance. In that, first is the polypharmacy. Older adults are more likely to suffer from chronic conditions like hypertension, diabetes, and arthritis, leading to use of multiple medications simultaneously. Polypharmacy increases the risk of drug interactions, adverse drug reactions, and medication errors. In the fact, older individuals are more likely to experience the cumulative effects of taking several drugs, which can alter pharmacokinetics, that is, the absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion of the drugs, and pharmacodynamics, that is, the drug effect on the body. Next, that is the physiological challenges. Aging leads to the variety of physiological challenges in the in the uh, chan- challenges including declines in renal and hepatic functions, reduced cardiac output, and changes in body composition. That, for example, increased body fat and decreased lean body mass. These changes can influence drug absorption, distribution, metabolism, and elimination, making older adults more susceptible to ADRs. For example, renal impairment can delay the elimination of drugs, leading to toxicity, while reduced liver function can impact the drug metabolism. Next, that is the comorbidities and complex disease management. Older adults often have a multiple comorbidities, which mean they may be prescribed drugs that are difficult to manage the combination. Chronic diseases may interact with the pharmacological treatments, complicating the clinical pictures and making it harder to detect the ADRs. Next, that is the inadequate representation in the clinical trials. Historically, older adults have been underrepresented in clinical trials, particularly those focusing on new drugs. This is due to concern about the safety of exposing elderly participants to the experimental treatments, as well as the challenges in the recruiting a diverse group of older individuals with varying health conditions. As a result, there is a limited evidence on a safety and efficacy of many medications in this population, which can complicate prescribing decisions. Next, that is the cognitive impairment and the frailty. Cognitive decline, dementia, and frailty are common in older adults and can complicate their ability to communicate the adverse effects of medications. Next, that is the drug and drug disease interaction. Older adults often take several medications for different health conditions. These interactions between these drug interaction can lead to the diminished therapeutic effects or enhanced toxicity. Similarly, the drug disease interaction where a medication and existing condition can also be problematic. For instance, certain antihypertensive drugs can cause the orthostatic hypotension, which increase the risk of falls, particularly in older adults. Next, that is the strategies for the enhancing geriatric pharmacovigilance. Post-marketing surveillance. Since clinical trials often have a limitation regarding older populations, post-marketing surveillance in critical in detecting ADRs in the general population, regulatory including in US Food and Drug Administration, EMA reply spontaneous reporting spots like FDA MedWatch. I think it is clear to everyone what is the geriatric pharmacovigilance. Thank you friends for listening me today. Thank you again.